Good morning. We have our 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. I brought some more seasonings for work, so I'm going to put on a little adobo. And I'm going to put on some Danos. This has more of a herby, garlicky, whatever flavor. So I'll have that. And then this is my last of my pickled veggies. So I'll be done with these. And then I think I have 2 or 3 more jicamas left. So I'm having the ground beef and this today. That's what I'm having for breakfast. Have a good morning. I forgot to tell you I'm down 2 more pounds. I stalled last week and I'm down 2 pounds. So I am 179 and I am 11 pounds away from my goal. So yeah, I'm down to 179 pounds. So hey, also, this is the vegetables after 2 weeks. The cucumber's still good. The tomato, just so you have a heads up, tomato starts getting soft. It doesn't taste bad or anything, but it kind of starts getting soft. So maybe don't use tomatoes if you're going to keep it for a couple weeks. But cucumbers worked well, and so did the peppers. So I'm changing things up today. Instead of pork and vegetables, we're having the burger and vegetables for lunch. So this is 6 ounces of my burger patties that I made 2 weeks ago, and 2 servings of California blend. And I told you I brought some seasonings. So I'm going to put some of this Tone's Creole seasoning. Hang on, it's not open, so I need to poke this open. Okay, so I only have 2 holes open. I don't know how it comes out. So this is my first time using this. I use Slap Your Mama usually. So let's see what this even tastes like. That's good. It's good. It's not super spicy. And then I've got some Danos that I'm going to add to it. So that's my lunch. And coworker gave me a half a tomato. So hang on here. I'm going to have this. And that's going to be my lunch today. Beef and veggies. I'm changing it up on y'all. Now listen, don't mind me, curly hair things. Anyway, look what I found today. If you turn in the light just so, I got a clavicle bone. And I even got a little dent in right there. I just got to turn just so, and I could see it right there. See that? Wait, no, not that. That's just fat. Right there. I got a neck bone. Who knew? Okay, anyway, yeah, let's get on with my supper. Okay, so now, since I had the beef at lunch, now we got to have pork at supper. So, we got 6 ounces of pork steak, 2 ounces of California blend veggies. We're going to do a southwestern thing. So, I'm going to put some of this G. sugar-free sweet chili. I like this stuff. So, let me zero it out. 1 serving is 30 grams. So we go, okay, 33 grams. I'm gonna put some of this all-purpose Greek seasoning on it. I'm definitely not putting any Slap Your Mama on it. It's spicy enough. That chili seasoning. That's some spicy good stuff. And this was some garlic and herb. So now I'm going to microwave it. And after it's microwaved, I'll add some pico and some cheese. All right. Now, let me stir this up a minute. So y'all know I don't cook my veggies. I just pop them right into these containers, frozen, and then they defrost as whatever the meat is defrosts, and then I just cook it for the 2 minutes or 1 minute, whatever. And now, so that's how I cook my veggies. I don't do anything special to them unless I do something fancy like that I did, the jicama. So this is quesadilla cheese. I got a half a serving right here. Ooh, can't lose that cheese now. All right, and then I'm gonna do one serving of this pico de gallo, which is 2 tablespoons. All right, so this is what we're having tonight. So some kind of pork and veggie, I don't know, southwestern something or another. Yeah, let's taste it and see what we think. Oh yeah, buddy. Yup, I gave it 2 thumbs up. So there, that's what we're having. Have a good night. Here's my macros for the day. 1,500 calories, protein, carbs, and fat. So read that, push pause if you need to. Bye.